Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Masters. I am Harshita Alveli. Today we have Hemant with us who is from Belgaum, Karnataka and he got placed in Infosys. So he's here to share his experience with us. Let's talk to him and get to know about the entire interview process in detail. Hi Hemant.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, Hemant. Firstly, we would like to congratulate you for getting placed in Infosys, Hemant. We are very happy for you.
Yes, thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, so how are you feeling right now? You must be really happy, right?
Yeah, ma'am. I got placed in three companies. I'm feeling very happy, ma'am.
Oh, really? That's really nice. And yeah, so before talking about anything else, could you tell more about yourself, Hemant?
Yes, ma'am. Currently, I'm from Belgaum, Karnataka. Currently, I'm pursuing BE in the stream of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at KLE Technological University, Hubli. I got placed in Infosys DSC role, which is 6.25 LPA.
Okay, nice, nice. That's a really amazing package, right? You must be really
Yes,
happy about it.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so was this an on-campus or an off-campus interview, Hemant?
This is on campus, ma'am.
This is on-campus interview.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so how many rounds were conducted?
There were two rounds, ma'am. First round is coding round, and second round is technical plus HR round, ma'am.
Okay, so there was no written test, the aptitude and all. It wasn't there.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. It is DSC role, ma'am. Means a digital specialist engineer.
Okay, so only the coding round and the technical interview round.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so when did you take up the first round, Hemant?
This is the first campus recruitment to our college, ma'am. Which that first companies I got placed, ma'am. This in August, ma'am.
Okay, in the month of August?
Yes, ma'am. August 8, ma'am.
August 8th, you took up the first round.
Yes, ma'am.
That is coding round. Could you tell everything about the first round in detail, Hemant?
Yes, ma'am. There were three coding questions, ma'am. First one is on array, and second one and third one is on data structure. Also, there were question dynamic programming. I have cleared. I have written one coding question, ma'am, which all test cases are passed. Second one is on data structure, ma'am. In data structure, I written code, ma'am, but means 30% of the test cases were passed. Okay. So I got shortlisted, ma'am.
Okay, the third one?
Third one, I did not know, ma'am.
Okay. So what time was given for these three coding questions?
For every coding questions, totally 3 hours were there, ma'am. We can attempt any one of the question, ma'am.
Okay, so 3 hours. So you had like around 1 hour for every question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nice. So this happened on August 8th, 2021.
There were questions. All three questions are. First one is average and medium and difficult, ma'am.
Okay. That way it goes. Okay. So yeah.
Also means allowed C, C++, Java, Python. I written code in Python, ma'am.
Python. Okay, super. So when did you get to know that you have cleared the first round?
On 23rd August, ma'am.
23rd August, you got to know. After around like 15 days, you got to know.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so when did you have the technical interview?
After a week, ma'am.
Okay.
After a week, ma'am. They have given a
end of August.
Yes, ma'am. They have given 1 week time for interview.
Okay. So yeah, tell us about the interview in detail.
Interview was conducted maybe in the first week of September.
Okay.
Firstly, he told me about to introduce myself, and I introduced myself and my resume. I have mentioned, and my skills are also Python, C, and C++. He asked me about OOPS concept and some questions in Python. In OOPS concept, I have explained, ma'am. And in Pythons also, there were questions like he asked me what is the difference between list and tuple, and what are the data types in Python, and what is the difference between array and a linked list,
Okay.
and also what is constructor.
Mhm.
And in C language, he asked me about what is the difference between C and C++, and what is the difference between call by value and call by reference. There are other. He also asked me about to write palindrome program,
Okay.
and I have written and shown in Notepad, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
And he asked me about to explain that code. I have thoroughly explained to interviewer.
Okay.
That's all. That's it.
So you could answer all of the questions, whatever was
Yes,
asked.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. In Python, there were two questions like I'm not able to answer, ma'am.
About it. Okay. So most of the questions you could answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that was the final round. And when did you get to
Final.
know the final results?
After 1 month, ma'am.
Okay. In the month of September. In the first week, second round,
Yes, ma'am.
final round happened. And
Yes.
the results were delayed by 1 month.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So super. So that was very simple process, right? Only 2 rounds.
Coding question, first round only was difficult, ma'am, which is the coding round.
Interview was quite simple.
Interview was quite simple. There were 28 students who got shortlisted, ma'am, for the first round. In that, 25 students got selected for the Infosys DSC role, ma'am.
Okay, only 3 got rejected in the interview.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, nice. So super. So yeah, any tips or suggestions to your friends and juniors, Hemant?
We should be thorough in basics, ma'am, which is coding questions and basic programs and basic coding skills, and we should be in a confidence while giving interview. We should have a patience, even though interviewer come late for us to interview.
Be patient enough to wait.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, ma'am. We should not be nervous. That's it, ma'am.
Okay, and since you are a student of Quant Masters, would you like to tell how was your journey with Quant Masters, Hemant?
Yes, ma'am. Quant Masters helped me a lot in aptitude by Himanshu sir, and coding questions like C by Shashank sir, and also for the mostly Dinesh sir, who means interviewer. They have taken an interview, mock interview also. They helped me a lot. And also they have sent general questions like HR questions that also helped me a lot, and I got confidence that time. So during the first interview also, that's why I have cracked, ma'am.
Super. And we are happy to know that we could help you. And one last question, Hemant, would you suggest Quant Masters to your friends and juniors?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, and also thanks for being here, Hemant, sharing all the information with us. Students who are watching this will definitely find it very helpful.
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations once again and all the very best.
Thank you so much, ma'am.